Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. With this lockdown and everybody at home, coming up with interesting ideas for dinner and lunch is a challenging task. It's $1 million question in every household, including myself. Being a bread lover, my younger one was behind me. Mommy, I want cheese bread. Since I planned this for our dinner, I made a tomato based filling which added a nice tangy flavor to the cheesy bread. Not only my kid, but we all enjoyed this savory for dinner. So thought of sharing with you guys. Let's see what it takes to make these tangy cheesy spirals. Bread flour, instant dry yeast, sugar, salt, olive oil, cold water. Make a well in the center. Add sugar, salt around it. Now I'll add yeast in the center. As I am using instant dry yeast, I will add directly to the flour. In case if you are using active dry yeast, it requires activation with the liquid before adding to the other ingredients. You might be wondering why I made a well in the center. As yeast is activated immediately when it is fed with the sugar, this will delay the process and let the yeast to act slowly. Now I'll add cold water to make the dough. Since it's humid and warm in Singapore, I'm using cold water. Cold water will delay the reaction of the yeast, which makes the dough rise slowly and taste better. If you are in a cold climate, use warm water. In case you don't have bread flour, you can use plain flour. I recommend bread flour as it has high protein content which helps the bread to rise more and makes it more chewy and absorbs more water while making the dough. Once the dough is together, we will add oil. I will show you two ways to knead the dough using my hand and also a mixer. Let's first see how to knead with hand. I will transfer the dough onto the mat. Using heel of my palm, I will gently push the dough away from me to stretch the dough and fold inwards. We'll repeat until we get a smooth and elastic dough. Now let's see with the hand mixer. I will use dough hooks. I will shape the dough into a soft ball. When you press with your fingertip, the dough should bounce back. That's when it is ready. For first proofing, I will grease the ball with oil. Now cling wrap this and keep it in a warm place for 1 hour or until the dough doubles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the tomato filling and keep it ready. Tomato sauce, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, pepper, salt, Italian herbs, chili garlic sauce, cheese. For filling, chop the tomatoes, mix all the ingredients and keep it aside. Few more options of filling are like you can replace chili garlic sauce with pesto or any sauce of your choice. If you want to make a sweeter version, use cinnamon and sugar as filling. Our filling is ready. It's 1 hour now, our dough is doubled. Let's press the dough and remove all the air bubbles. We will lightly dust the mat so the dough doesn't stick while rolling. We'll roll it into a rectangle of about 16 by 10 inch. I will spread tomato filling. If you wish, you can add some cheese to the filling now, but I prefer to sprinkle on top later. I left around 1 inch space in the edges so the filling doesn't ooze out while rolling. Let's roll this into a log. Fold inwards slowly one side and do similarly on the other side. I have greased the tin with oil. Put the seamless side upwards and cut it into 12 pieces. Use a sharp knife. For this, first I will divide the log into half and then remaining halves into half. I will divide this half into 3 pieces. I have used a 10 inch and 6 inch and placed the spirals. Let's cling wrap this and do the second proofing until 45 minutes to 1 hour or well risen. I have preheated my oven to 200 degrees centigrade. It's 1 hour now. I'll sprinkle the cheese on top and bake it until it's light brown or the bread sounds hollow when tapped. Our tangy, cheesy spirals are ready. Allow it to cool in tin for some time and serve warm. These look so soft and yummy. They are tangy on the inside and cheesy and chewy from outside. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Do share your experience in the comment section below. We are on FB and Insta as well. Do tag us if you try out our recipes. See you in our next video. Thank you.